I know you can't really see in there, but I got a bunch of fucking new little trim pieces, all the trim pieces and shit for the motherfucker. New rubbers for like the window seals and all that. There's your blinker lights. I got those kind of headlights for it. Those you can make look new real fucking easy. I'll show you a video when you get here on how to fuck with those, make them perfect actually. There's my grill. That bottom piece is, I don't know if you can see up there or not, is the fucking blue little trim piece for the gap of it. The 2007 seats for the motherfucker right there. There's that 60/40 fucking split seat I was telling you about. Everything's here. Got the breather cover right there so that way I can show you better. Yeah, dude. All there. See how good I don't know fucking. You'll see when you get here, dude. But I got, like I said, new control arms. Not control arms, tie rods. Interior. There's that slider. There's your bumpers. Front and rear. That's the only fucking dent. And I thank my shithead son for that one. Like I said, man, we've been putting work into it to make it look nice. I don't know how good you can see that vent in there or not. But the last 6, 101, 858. 101, 858. So you let me know when you can come pick up your truck.